Want to hear a joke? Okay, here it goes. A burglar broke into a home and was looking around. He heard a soft voice say, "Jesus is watching you." Thinking it was just his imagination, he continued to look around. Again, the voice said, "Jesus is watching you." He turned his flashlight around and saw a parrot in a cage. He asked the parrot if he was the one talking. Parrot said, "Yes." And he asked the parrot what his name was, and the parrot said, "Moses." The burglar asked what kind of people would name their parrot Moses, and the parrot said, the same kind of people who would name their pit bull Jesus.